Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to download and install Apple Music on our laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With this, you can go and manage your music library in it. To get started, press search at the bottom and type in the Microsoft Store. This is the App Store on your computer. What you want to do is go and press search at the top, and you want to go and type in Apple Music like so. Here it is. Here you can go and click on it, and you can press install to the left. You can go and read about it. Otherwise, just go and wait. When it's finished, it will stay open. Click on it. Make sure you read this through. I already have, so I'll press agree, and then it will go and open up. We can press start listening and sign into our Apple account. You can always close that and press library to the left, and you can go and start using.